everybody, this is an installation video for these guys, the 7-link chain swivel ball bearing set. Now, if you buy some of our foam Nunchaku, they already come with those, but these ones are machine made. You can see here, they insert them into a machine that presses and flattens them down. This kit here, you have to do manually yourself. Inside the kit, you've got, of course, the swivel ball bearing chain, and you've got 2 roll pins with a split on them. Let's see if we can zoom in. These guys, these roll pins, measure in just around 4 millimeters. And I found that the best fit is probably around the 5/32. You could try 9/64, but 5/32 seems like the better fit of the bunch for me, and that's what I'm going to do here. Just going to pick out a scrap piece of wood to use here. Let's try this one here. So, as you can see here, the first method is probably the best and strongest method of the bunch. That's not coming out. Right? You can still swivel, but that's not coming out there. There is a second option to doing this. Rather than drilling out a hole the same size as the little roll pin here, drill out a small hole, but not the same diameter as that, and then use a screw and a little bit of wood glue in there to add some extra strength. I'll just do that right now. Hey, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Gotta work here. I'm working. I'm working. Now, normally I'd put some wood glue in there first, but I'm going to take this apart. And for fun, let's make these guys equal length. And there we have it. Stick chucks. So you can use the enclosed split roll pins, or you can use your own wood screws. And that's it there.